I'm Dirt Boy. I'm going to be exploding these both at the same time, with the plum on top of the apple. Boom! Have it all ready? I'm going to explode fruit. Sledgehammer. Check out my other videos. Last video I exploded the Dr. Pepper with the sledgehammer. And here we go. Hopefully I don't miss. Oh! I hit it. It's like chopping them both pretty much in half. Here's the damage for both of them. So I went down, I hit right in the middle and it cut them right in half. So, here it is. Let's see if it still tastes good. Tastes real good. Well, there you have it.